Welcome to Zoom in Data. In this session, we will learn about Databricks jobs and workflow automation, which are essential for running production-grade data pipelines in Databricks. While notebooks are useful for development and exploration, jobs are used to automate, schedule, and reliably execute workloads at scale. Interviewers frequently ask questions about Databricks jobs to evaluate a candidate's understanding of automation, scheduling, dependency management, and production best practices. A strong understanding of jobs and workflows shows that you can move from development to real-world deployment. Subscribe to Zoom in Data to continue learning Databricks concepts in a structured and practical way. What is a Databricks job? A Databricks job is a mechanism used to run code automatically without manual intervention. Jobs are typically used to execute notebooks, jars, Python scripts, or workflows. They are commonly used in production environments for scheduled and repeatable tasks. Why are Databricks jobs important? Databricks jobs enable automation of data pipelines. They ensure consistent and reliable execution of workloads. Jobs reduce the need for manual execution and human error. What types of tasks can a Databricks job run? Jobs can run notebooks written in supported languages. They can execute Python scripts, Spark jars, or SQL tasks. Jobs can also orchestrate multiple tasks as workflows. What is a workflow in Databricks? A workflow is a collection of tasks executed in a defined order. Tasks can have dependencies on one another. Workflows enable complex pipeline orchestration within Databricks. How does Databricks support multi-task jobs? Databricks allows multiple tasks within a single job. Tasks can be run sequentially or in parallel. Dependencies define execution order and logic. What is task dependency in Databricks workflows? Task dependency defines which task must complete before another starts. It ensures correct execution sequence. Dependencies help manage complex data processing logic. How are Databricks jobs scheduled? Jobs can be scheduled using time-based triggers. Schedules can run hourly, daily, or at custom intervals. Scheduling ensures regular and predictable execution. How does Databricks handle job clusters? Job clusters are created automatically when a job starts. They are terminated after job completion. This provides isolation and cost efficiency. How do jobs differ from interactive notebook execution? Jobs run automatically without user interaction. Interactive notebooks require manual execution. Jobs are designed for reliability and repeatability. How does Databricks ensure job reliability? Failed tasks can be retried automatically. Error handling mechanisms are built into jobs. Logs and alerts help identify issues quickly. What happens if a Databricks job fails? Failure details are captured in job logs. Retry policies determine whether tasks rerun. Notifications can be sent to alert stakeholders. How are job logs and outputs managed? Logs capture execution details for each task. Output includes success, failure, and performance data. Logs support debugging and monitoring. How does Databricks support parameterized jobs? Jobs can accept parameters at runtime. Parameters make jobs reusable and flexible. This allows the same job to run for different inputs. How do Databricks jobs support production data pipelines? Jobs automate ingestion, transformation, and validation steps. They run on schedules aligned with business requirements. This ensures consistent data availability. How does Databricks integrate jobs with notebooks? Notebooks can be directly executed as job tasks. Notebook logic can be reused for production. This simplifies transition from development to deployment. How does Databricks handle concurrency in jobs? Multiple jobs can run simultaneously. Resource allocation depends on cluster availability. Concurrency controls prevent resource exhaustion. How does Databricks support monitoring of jobs? The Jobs UI displays execution history. Status indicators show success or failure. Monitoring helps maintain pipeline health. How do Databricks jobs support dev, test, and prod environments? Separate jobs can be created per environment. Different schedules and parameters can be used. This reduces risk in production deployments. How does Databricks handle job security? Job execution respects user and service permissions. Access controls restrict who can edit or run jobs. Secure clusters enforce data protection policies. How do workflows improve pipeline manageability? Workflows visualize task dependencies. They simplify complex pipeline logic. Centralized management improves maintainability. How do Databricks jobs support scalability? Jobs can run on scalable clusters. Autoscaling adjusts resources dynamically. Large workloads can be processed efficiently. What are common use cases for Databricks jobs? Scheduled data ingestion and transformation. Daily reporting and analytics refresh. Machine learning model training and scoring. Why are Databricks jobs frequently asked in interviews? They demonstrate understanding of production workflows. Interviewers assess automation and reliability skills. Job knowledge reflects real-world Databricks usage. What are best practices for Databricks jobs and workflows? Use job clusters for isolation and cost control. Implement retry and alert mechanisms. Monitor job performance regularly. How do Databricks jobs help organizations achieve data reliability? Automated execution reduces manual dependency. Consistent schedules ensure timely data delivery. Monitoring and logging improve operational stability. Thank you for watching Zoom in Data. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. More Databricks interview and tutorial videos coming soon on Zoom in Data. Stay connected and keep learning with Zoom in Data.